Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to add product or item to cart on JD.com Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Fish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your JD.com app. So after you open up the app, next thing you want to do is to search for products that you want to add to your cart. So you can, from the home page right here. So let's, for instance, I want to add this particular product to cart right here. So what we want to do is to go ahead, click on the product link. Now we click on the product link, it's taking you right here. Go ahead and click on the link to proceed. Now you are here. For you to add a product to cart, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to select the color, sizes, and quantity from these sections right here. Let's say, for instance, I need size M and I need just one of it. So make sure you click on one right here and then go ahead and click on here to add it to cart. Successfully added to cart. So click on here to close this pom-pom. You want to add another color, go ahead and then click on here to add another color and another size. So I'm going to add this color. So this time around it's going to be another size. I'm going to choose 3x right here. Now how many quantity? Let's say I need 2 of these. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to add that to cart. So successfully added. Click on here to close this pop-up right here. So we want to add another color to cart. Go ahead and click on here. Then select this color right here. Then we want to change the size now to this. And we want to change the quantity to something like 3. Come to the top right here and click on this plus sign right here. 1, 2, 3. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to click on here to add it to cart successful. Now the product has been successfully added to cart right here. You can see my cart here has been drastically increased. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import and ship products from China using JD shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.